Then the question we have is here, which is 0.00275 times 0.00640 divided by 0.025 times 0.08. Now, we could press our calculator and arrive at, any given answer. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
But then let us look at how to do this using our knowledge of indices, or yeah, let's say indices. We need to change all of them first to standard form. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Or we can say we want to change everything to all numbers. Let me put it that way. So the 0.00275 can be rewritten as 275 times 10 raised to some negative powers. Okay? So
Okay,
I
sir.
have removed all of the points. How many steps? One, two, three, four, five. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
That is negative 5. Then the other number that is there, 0.00640. I don't need the last zero since there is no number after it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So I can stop at this. But if there is a number, I have to write it. Now I can change this to 64 times 10 raised to some negative powers too. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's negative 4. Why are there negative powers? Because these are very small numbers that are made to become big numbers. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now the other one at the bottom, 0.025, can be rewritten as 25. Can you guess what the power of 10 should be here?
20 minus 3
Good, minus 3. Then the other one, 0.08, can be rewritten as 8 times 10 raised to the power what?
minus 2.
Minus 2. So now that we have all of this, what we have to do now is to place them side by side. So this one times this, okay? Then divided by
Okay, sir.
this one times the other one. So I'm going to be introducing the division line between them now. Okay, so here comes the division line. Then I introduce my multiplication sign in between. So since I'm multiplying, it becomes very easy now. From our indices, I can combine the power of the 10 because they are the same. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Good. Then I can also divide this. 25 here is 1, okay? Then how many 25 is in 275? That means in 100 is 4. In another 100 is 4, making 8. Then in 75 is 3. So what is 8 plus 3? That's 11, right?
Yes.
So 25 here, 1, 25 here, 11. Then 8 here, 1, 8 here, what? 8. So that means I have 11 times 8 at the top, right?
Yes.
Good. And I have just 1 and 1 at the bottom, fine. So if I have 11 times 8, that's going to give me 88, okay?
Okay.
Then times the 10, I pick one of the 10 that is above, then I combine the power, which is negative 5 plus negative 4, and that will give me negative 9. Then the 10 that is at the bottom, I combine the power 2, which is negative 3 plus negative 2. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. So I arrive at this spot. Then the next thing is that this is still 88 times 10 raised to power negative 9 all over 10 raised to power negative 5. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So having said that, we can now have 88 times, I pick one of the 10. You know the 10s are dividing themselves, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
I pick one of the 10, then I subtract the power. So that's negative 9 minus negative 5. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Then this becomes 88 times 10 raised to power negative 9. Minus times minus gives me plus. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Then I have 88 times 10 raised to power. What is negative 9 plus 5? Negative 9 plus 5.
Hmm?
Where? What is negative 9 plus 5?
-3.
Minus 4, not 3, because this is 9, okay?
Oh, sorry, -4.
So now the next thing to do is to make sure it's in standard form because this is not yet in standard form. It should be one digit and a point. So this is 8.8 times 10 raised to the power negative 4. I need to add 1 to this since I have reduced the value of 88. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
So the final answer is going to be 8.8 times 10 raised to the power negative 3. So wait a minute. Though this happens to be your answer, but let me share a calculator and we're going to confirm this in a calculator, okay? So if we confirm it in the calculator, that means whether we use a calculating device or we use the knowledge of indices, it's going to give us the same thing. So the numbers we want to multiply in the calculator are what? 0.000275 times 0.0064. If we put the zero, you see it doesn't make any difference. So this one at the top gives me 0. How many zeros now? One, two, three, four. It's four zeros, 176. So I'm just going to take note of it somewhere. Is that clear?
Okay.
So I have 0.1234176. Then the one at the bottom, I want to multiply that one too. So that is 0.025 times what? 0.08. Then this gives me 0.02, right?
Yes.
0.002. So I want to divide this 0.002. Okay, let me now get straight to the business. So I have 0.1234 plus 0.176 divided by 0.002. Then this gives me 0.0088. Okay,
Okay.
0.0088, which I can take to standard form by moving the point how many times? Three times. One, two, three. This is going to be 8.8, okay, times 10 raised to power negative 3 because it's a small number that I've made to become a big number. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, put it down.